Hi guys, I'm supposed to be clearing the table for Christmas. Well, I've been supposed to be clearing the table for months now, but Christmas is coming. But I've still managed to go and buy a couple of things in the charity shop to put more junk on the desk. Got one of those little Digibirds. I've put fresh batteries in it and it doesn't work. It makes a bit of a buzzing noise. But that's it. I've tried whistling at it and all the rest, because you're supposed to whistle at it for 3 seconds or something, and that's supposed to set it going. My daughter used to have quite a few of them, but I found this one in the charity shop for 50p, so I bought it for the fun of it. What I'll do with that is do a tear down, take it apart, because there is one handy little bit in there that might be useful for little lightweight model aeroplanes. So I'll show you that in a minute. And then I also picked this fella up. Cost me £2, and it is Christmas. British Heart Foundation. Had a quick look inside it. It's got the battery box in there with no batteries in it, which is fair enough. So we'll just try a few batteries. We've got some of these. That looks a little bit corroded on there, but the rest of it looks alright. Might have to clear that one up a bit. Let's see what happens if we... Nothing happening there. I did buy quite a few of these animatronics last year and spent time getting them working. And it's usually just the switch that doesn't work, because they're set all the way at the end of the arm somewhere. Usually the wires get broken off the back of them and they just don't work anymore. So you end up having to do a tear down to find where the wires go, and then just repair the wires. Yeah, that's the motor for the animatronics in there, and then from there somewhere there'll be some wires that go up to the switch that's hidden in there. But I suppose what I really ought to do before I start ripping it apart is just try and check that it's not just because that's corroded. It's not making enough contact. Oh, there we go. Oh, well, that was easy enough, wasn't it? So for £2, that one's fine. Okay, I'll put that away and I'll do a separate little video of the tear down for this. And I mustn't forget I turned on the hot glue gun for something else I was doing. Right, okay, well there you go. That was today's charity shop gold or garbage Christmas animatronic from, where was it again? British Heart Foundation in Keynsham, that was. Hi guys, I did promise I was going to take this apart and show you inside to show you the bits that I thought would be useful for a little model aeroplane. Now, this teardown video has taken me much longer than I expected, so I'll make a separate video for it, but I'll just show you here what I'm talking about. In there's a coil, and then there's a magnet that's pivoted, which is what's moving this head. As the head moves, you can probably see, and what's happening there is currents being passed through that coil that's making the magnet twist or turn to align with the magnetic field. And that's what they use on the rudders, and in some cases on the ailerons on some of the little very lightweight model aeroplanes. So I'll do a separate video for the full teardown because it's taken me much longer than expected. I had to clean out some rather unpleasant brown stuff from inside. I think somebody's given it a drink of cola or something, and that had gummed up a few bits. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.